Alright, so welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to figure out the area of this green shaded shape. And as you can see right here, it's a weird looking shape. There's definitely no formula for it. And we're also given that this length is 8. So how do we find that? Well, you have to use a basic geometry principle, which is knowing the shapes you know. So basically, what can I see right here? I see a square. And what's the area of all squares? It's just going to be side length times side length. So it's 8 times 8, because this side is also 8. That's going to give me 64. What can I do with this number 64? Well, I see that there's this shape right here. Does this resemble anything? It resembles a quarter of a circle. I have another quarter of a circle right here, and another quarter, and another quarter. So 4 quarters make up one whole circle. So we have a circle, but what is the area of the circle? So I know that this whole length is 8, so it means this side has to be 4, meaning that the radius of your circle is 4, right? This is 1/4 of the circle. That's what we have on each quarter of this shape. Now, knowing that the radius is 4, how do we find the area of the circle? What's the area of the circle again? It's going to be pi times r squared. So we know 4, so let's just plug it in. That's going to give us pi times 4 squared. That's going to give us pi times 16, which will just give us 16 pi. Now, what do I do with this number 16 pi? So I know that all 4 of these shaded shapes is going to give me 16 pi in total. So I just subtract that from my total area of the square, which is going to be 64, and that should give me the area of the green, right? So it means your answer should be 64 minus this value, 16 pi. And that right there is the area of your shaded region. So basically all this information is common knowledge, right? The area of a square is side length squared. The area of a circle is pi r squared. You guys should know this all right away. The only thing you don't know is the area of this given. But with those 2 formulas, you can get it easily. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.